In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Yahoo Secure Search and restore your default settings to Google Chrome. So, let's dive right into it and take things step by step. First, we're going to take a look at the extensions installed on your Chrome browser. Start by opening Google Chrome and navigate to the three-dot menu located at the top right corner. Click on it and head over to Extensions by selecting Manage Extensions. Once you're there, thoroughly scan the list for any extensions that look unfamiliar or suspicious. Keep an eye out for names like Yahoo Secure Search, Search Manager, and Safe Finder. If you spot any of these or anything else that doesn't belong, simply hit the Remove button beneath each of the unwanted extensions to get rid of them. Now, let's move on to resetting your default search engine. Again, click on the three-dot menu, and this time go to Settings. From there, select Search Engine and proceed to Manage Search Engines and Site Search. In this section, locate Google under the search engines list. Click on the three dots next to it and then choose Make Default to ensure Google is set as your primary search engine. While you're here, look for Yahoo Secure Search in the list. If you find it, click on the trash bin icon beside it to remove it completely. Next up, we need to check your startup settings. In Chrome settings, find and click on Startup from the left-hand panel. You'll want to make sure that this is set to either open the new tab page or open a specific set of pages. If you choose the latter, double-check to make sure only Google or other trusted sites are listed. If there are any unfamiliar or suspicious URLs, especially those related to Yahoo or unknown domains, be sure to remove them. Finally, let's clean up by deleting cache and cookies. Head over to the three-dot menu once more and click on Settings. From there, navigate to Privacy and Security, then select Delete Browsing Data. When the new window pops up, under the Time Range drop-down menu, opt for All Time. You'll need to check the boxes for cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. Once you've done that, click on Delete Data to clear out any lingering data that might be causing trouble. And there you have it. By following these steps, your browser should now be free of Yahoo Secure Search, and everything should be back to working smoothly with Google Chrome as your default setup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.